At this stage, with this knife, I would move on to a higher grit stone. So I'll go ahead and do that now. If this was a little bit of a lower quality stainless steel, you can go ahead and stop at a medium stone. You'll have a nice toothy edge, and I might just finish it with a leather strop in that same motion, just back and forth a couple times. But since this is a little bit of a higher carbon steel, I will finish on a fine stone. This is a 5,000 grit Naniwa stone. When I'm using a fine stone, I'm not going to use that first amount of pressure where I was really working to create a burr. I'm going to just work on that second stage where I'm trying to refine the burr even further. So again, that same setup with your original side of the blade. I'm working down the length of the edge, really, really light pressure. Basically, I'm just polishing the blade now. So it's an even cleaner, sharper cut. And I can work back up. I'm only putting pressure in one direction as the blade is moving away from me. I'm going to flip over, do that one more time, working the length of the edge. And then I'll finish with that final stropping motion. At this point, there should be no burr left on there, but this will just give you a even sharper, cleaner edge. All right, and then finally, we can move to a leather strop. This is an optional step. Your knife will be plenty sharp, but this is just a piece of leather we've attached to a block of wood and applied a fine honing compound to. Move this back and forth a few times. You want to be careful that you're going in the direction where the edge is facing away from the motion so that you don't gouge the strop. I'm putting medium pressure here because it's a softer surface. You can put a little bit more pressure and not worry about it damaging your bevel angle. All right, and that is how you finish up the knife. Should be a nice sharp edge now, and we can go ahead and test it. Here's a little paper test just to make sure I got it nice and sharp. And it looks pretty good. Definitely usable.